Oh, Snap, the biggest tech public offering. Yes, Snap on the U.S. exchanges here in almost 3 years really does, to many people, look like a home run. Snapchat parent Snap did soar at the open, but as investors know, running a company post-IPO can be a whole different story. So we thought, let's do a bull-bear debate and let our viewers be educated by guys who know. Gerber Kawasaki's Ross Gerber, who invests in a lot of gutsy startups, and Peter Snyder, Fox News contributor and Disruptor Capital CEO, knows all things social media, are joining us now. Ross, you are the bear. Peter, you're the bull. Yeah. I'm going to push both of you. Peter, this stock, I mean, flower crowns and $130 cameras and a little bit of fun swag here down at the New York Stock Exchange, and you are loving this stock? Peter?
I mean, they managed the price properly. I thought 14 to 16 was spot on. It went all the way up to 23, 24 on debut, and it's soaring ever after. So, you can have questions about management and experience, and the guys in his 20s or what have you. They managed this IPO beautifully, period.
Okay, Ross, now I'm going to yell at you. You hate this company. Tell us why. And I would simply say, when you have Facebook trying to imitate or do similar things, maybe there's something there.
Yeah, I'm not the only one who doesn't like this company. They're protesting right now all over Venice, California against Snapchat because the people in the community don't even like Snapchat.
Ross, they protest everything in Venice. Come on.
That's true. That's true. But you've got to really wonder why that's happening because, honestly, they could be much better stewards of the environment around Venice if they wanted to be. On another note, why would I pay $30 billion for a company losing hundreds of millions of dollars with no business plan to profitability?
Okay.
And honestly, it's a fun service, but what else?
Peter, is the management green here? Yes, we know they founded it, but boy, there's a difference between founders and then operators.
Sure. Look, Evan Siegel's built this company 5 years ago. It's been going gangbusters ever since. They haven't focused on making money in their first couple of years. They focused on attracting millennials and attracting probably the gold standard of demographics out there. And now they're looking to monetize it. So, they've out-innovated Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook at every single level. Facebook wanted to buy Snapchat years ago, wasn't able to do it. I think these guys have some juice, and they're going to take it somewhere.
Wait, how do they out-innovate Facebook at all? Facebook's taking their lunch right now. I think, what about, how do they monetize? You say they're monetizing now. Well, like, how?
Ross, that there is that issue. They need sticky new features, not just the flower crowns and turning somebody's head into an onion. But in the end, is there some price point? Because right now it's at $24.95, where you would say, okay, now I'll buy it.
Yeah, absolutely. And to me, I'll pay 10 times revenue.
Okay, but is there a price for a share that you would pay?
Yeah, that's like $7, or something like that.
Okay. Well, listen,
I'd
Peter,
love to wind back the clock and get in at $7 a share about a couple years ago.
Peter, you can laugh, but we saw a reversal of Twitter's stock, which of course went public, and then we can even show how horribly it did. Look, Groupon, Twitter, Fitbit, a lot of them are trading below their IPO level. Peter?
Sure. Technology is littered with big pop IPOs that go absolutely nowhere. I think at $30 billion, this stock is probably a little overvalued. I'd be comfortable with it at $20 billion. That said, they have a growing subscription rate, a growing user rate out there. It's going to continue. There's a reason why certain people of north of 25 aren't really on Facebook as much anymore. They're going towards Snapchat. They want to have different opportunities and platforms in social media, and this is only going to grow.
I'll tell you what, guys, we're going to have you both back a couple of months from now, and we can continue this battle. It's been terrific. Ross Gerber of Gerber Kawasaki and Peter Snyder, Disruptor Capital CEO, the bear and the bull.